How can the efficiency and security of replacement scanning procedures be increased? With the BECONEX Validation Controller for COFAX Control Suite, you can now trace, automate, and simplify critical steps of this procedure. Incoming documents for which substitute scanning is suitable can be collected together with a separating barcode between each document in the same batch. They can be afterwards scanned as a single batch. Thanks to the separation barcodes, it is possible to recognize each independent document. The validation controller will automatically select the documents that require further visual inspection. This selection is done either randomly, sequentially, or predefined in the configuration. The user receives an email notification that the visual inspection procedure has been initiated for one or more documents from the scanned batch. Therefore, the user keeps the batch of documents to scan them again if it is necessary. In addition, an automatic notification is sent to the reviewer with a link to a copy of the documents and instructions for the visual inspection. The PowerPDF application from COFAX allows you to visualize the document, to carry out the visual inspection, and to either release the document for further processing or to request a new scan. After the document has been approved, the user receives a confirmation that the batch was successfully scanned with sufficient quality and can now be destroyed.